Kia Daraja Mbili Vision Volunteers nigo kiarigania amaigerio wachiase ababwatani au gati ya sekta yobochenu richiko na boigo oburaria erigo konera chinjera cyo gusiria okonengetwa kwa bari babwate ebinyinyi binyamoreo oburwaire bwa TB ose tuberculosis na boigo bari babwataniwe netse gichegenga
baukwanase omobogani oyo moime mochi obosongo nigo anene abamanyi kurwase sekta richiko banyarako bakoerera gati ebitambo bio biranyareko bikoimokiwa echinga kibono oboringo rwa bwanyareko babogo korwa nabo iga machibu ya oboroire ayara nyareko bagagosangwa gochia ase abantu echinga kibono abamenyi gose ababwatani abo bataranyareko bakwenana libaga gochia ase baria bakonyareko bakorokoringoria
muri Keito Frida Kerboni gatwarganiriti warwatu rwa senchera yobwagare
Bunenchereye moyo gokeania okonengetwa kwa bali babwate oburaire bwa TB ebinyinyi byenyamoreo nabo igo bali babere bakubwateranirwa n'ekisegi kyegenka nigo ababwatani kurwa sensemo ya Daraja Mbili Vision Volunteers baimokiye getambukiro yo kwarigania omorobelyo oyo obwatania abamanyi kurwa sensemo yobochenu lichiko nabo igo obaralia iligosemya abamenyi be county ya Kisii.
Today we had a meeting of stakeholders, majorly focusing on HIV, TB and malaria and how they are correlated in terms of co-infection. We had a number of stakeholders, including the judiciary, we had representation from the police, we had representation from the county commissioner's office, we also had representation of all media houses to a large extent, and CSOs working in Kisii County. The major agenda for today was to be able to bring together all stakeholders so that we can be able to deliberate on our way forward on how we can be able to, if not eradicate, but diminish the stigma, the levels of stigma and discrimination in Kisii County, especially in relation to HIV and TB infection.
Nigo basemya abantu egetambukiro babwenete koimokia magegayo kolengwa maminchano kuganya kwabo wose amachibu abo kurwegwa batamanyeti asibabo ligogoso ase tribunal ya HIV iliyogwakanwa.
Tribunal helps those who feel that they have been marginalized because of their status. Maybe they were tested against their will, maybe their status have been shared against their consent, or maybe they have been forced to undergo testing against their will. Essentially, that is what the tribunal does. And at the very end, the tribunal does award them damages, maybe to help them take it easy on whatever has happened, as much as they cannot reverse it.
Chinga kicho boigoni go omo advocate aenekia ensemo yeli chiko libwenete kubwatigwa kolengana ne act ya HIV and AIDS magagayo monto kobetererigwa kolengigwa eliokonyora oboene bwaye.
And as advocates, we are here to create more awareness on the legal side of HIV AIDS. I'm sure most people do not know that there exists an HIV and AIDS Prevention Act, number 14. And when we see such things, we would like that our people be educated that you can be compensated for an offense of somebody leaking your information or somebody forcing you to undergo testing for HIV AIDS.
Nonya naboni go chinyomba chobораlia chaboligwa kubwaterana nebyombe lyokobeka emerobelyo yogosemya abantu igoro yeli chiko nabo igoko enekebuna nkurwanira bale nakonyora oboene bwabo wetera korwa obosemya.
Mwetu nabaralia gosinyomba chobораlia nokonekya nga abana inchi banyolere information igarakini nakongu sana ko tebya abana inchi kintu tamaiti. So one of the resolutions twachira na chiracho ndingango chitorego partner na ebyombe bune biga bikurwanira osebita itego sirio konengetwa ilinde na intubuna chinyomba chobaralia tonyare ko kubeka nonye nebipindi biko bire dedicated ko chagosemya abananchi goro ya machikabo so that mba konengetwa batamanyetie kwera egento na tuamanyire kurugegalero no konengeto umuntu iyine criminal offense umuntu atakire kubugolwa egetambukero kieli chiko igonto chiko bwateranamo nintu no gosaba ase chinyomba chobораlia nga tigato tware 20 ebipindi ase tokugeria abantu iguru yeri chiko.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.